Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on cleaning up this mess with Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo. Never lose its suction, no loss in cleaning. Washable filters, and it's 160 1863. So let's get it started, shall we? One more round. The edges do count, but if it didn't get it, we're not going to worry about it. Let's check the filter really quick. Yes, I'm being rough with the filter, showing you. Because I'm showing you what the vacuum did pick up. And why I don't like these. One, they're not HEPA filtration. Two, this. You never can get the filters cleaned well. See? You can wash them and wash them. You're going to get a lot out of them. You can't really do anything. All you have to do is replace them every time. Like 24/7, basically. That's why I like the expensive vacuums. You don't have to clean them and look at the vacuum and look all that out. That's one reason why I don't use these kinds of vacuums. For one. That's one reason why I don't use these, is because of the filters. So, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.